guys, welcome back to Let's Cook That. Today we're going to be making a delicious and easy individual Jell-Os. Since we have all our family at home, you guys have your little ones at home, and it gets pretty hot out there, why not have it ready individually so everybody could get their own little cup of Jell-O? But this is going to be the rainbow broken Jell-O individual cups. So before we get started with those ingredients, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video, and you won't miss no videos for being part of our family of Let's Cook That, where this kitchen is seasoned with love. So now let's get started with those ingredients. So the following ingredients is Jell-O. You can use any color, whichever is your favorite flavor or your favorite color that you want to have on your Jell-O. I'm using the lime, the blueberry, and the strawberry. And I recommend, you could do sugar-free, but you'll get less Jell-O. So I'm doing the regular one, okay? And then we have the gelatin. That's gonna help a lot for our Jell-O. We have an evaporated milk, the lechera, which is a condensed milk, vanilla extract, and some cups. We're gonna start by making our colored Jell-O. Go ahead and follow the directions only on the boiling water, okay? So I have 2 cups of boiling water. Let's go ahead and pour our Jell-O. Let's give it a stir. Let's turn it off. And then instead of adding the 2 cups of cold water, you're gonna add 1 cup of cold water. We want your Jell-O, the color ones, to be nice and firm. We're going to continue with every single color until you're done with all your colors. So beautiful. Our 3 colors are right here. Once they cool down, I will refrigerate it for at least 3 to 4 hours. So once your Jell-Os are ready, you leave them for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. We're gonna go ahead and cut them into like little cubes. Now let's go ahead and separate them. I'm just gonna go a little bit around the edge. Okay, so once your Jell-O is cut up, I did get 6 ounces of hot water. And let's go ahead and pour the granitina, which is the unflavored gelatin, into our hot water. Let's go ahead and stir. I need to dissolve it. And I'm gonna add 2 more packets. So a total of 4, that's what comes in a little box. Now we're gonna pour your evaporated milk. You can actually mix it in a bowl, but I like to do it in the blender just to make sure everything gets well incorporated. And then your lechera, which is your condensed milk. The vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And then you're gonna add your unflavored gelatin. We're gonna take this to blend for about a minute. So now that everything's ready, this is where the fun part begins. Start creating your cups with your colors that you want, fill them up. If they're too big, you can go ahead and cut them a little bit smaller. And we're gonna just create it different colors.
So once you fill it up halfway, slowly let's add the mixture of the lechera. Now let's continue to add more colors. Then let's add a little bit more just on top. Continue until you're done and put them back in the refrigerator for about an hour and a half is good, or you can leave them overnight. Just because they're in single cuts, they'll be ready faster. This is our final result. Look how beautiful they look. I did leave them overnight after all, and I think that was a bad idea because I had 12 and they started eating them, so this is what they left me, you guys. But they're very delicious. Let's go ahead and try them. So we have some whipped cream here. Let's go ahead and add a little bit. Let's top it off with the cherry. And look how cute they look, you guys. They're beautiful.
And there is your glass broken Jell-O, you guys. Or is it broken glass Jell-O? I don't know, but it's a rainbow broken Jell-O glass, whatever you want to call it. But these are really, really good, you guys. Let's go ahead and try it. Some Jell-O. Very good. It's very hot out there, you guys. So this is perfect for these summer hot days, and your kids will enjoy it. My kids are big and they loved them. I'm telling you, I had 12 and I ended up with like 7 or 8 of them. So they're very good, very easy to make. It does take time because you need those hours or leave it overnight, but I highly recommend this. It's very delicious, you guys. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Share with your family and friends. And subscribe if you haven't done so, you guys. And don't forget, if you guys have Instagram, head over to Instagram of Let's Cook That or _crazy gummies for the giveaway. I believe the July 14th will be the last day to enter for that raffle, you guys. So take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.